Joining us now to discuss is Randolph Rice, trial attorney and former prosecutor. Randolph, so much anticipation, ahead of tomorrow. You've got this virtual appearance. Prosecutors expected to lay out DNA evidence. We're hearing alleged confessions as well, all to convince the judge there is enough to move this case forward to trial. Do you foresee any hangups on the horizon?
No, and in fact, I think, Keleigh, tomorrow we're probably not going to see quite that much evidence. But I think tomorrow what they're actually planning on doing is having what's called a waiver hearing where the attorneys will appear, and reports are stating that Tyler Robinson will not appear there. He'll be brought in by CCTV, but it will be a waiver hearing for the attorneys to actually decide if they want to have that preliminary hearing within 14 days.
Yeah, so you're right. It doesn't sound like we are going to be learning a whole lot more either tomorrow, but we've got the death penalty on the table. That's a fact, and it does have the ability to complicate this case on really quite a bit of fronts. You've got legally, procedurally, strategically. You also have the jury nullification component to consider here. Would you mind breaking down for us the biggest impacts as you see them to that pursuit in particular?
Absolutely. So what the prosecutors have to prove in this case that there is an aggravating factor. And in this case, the prosecutors have alleged that when he killed Charlie Kirk, that he put other people in danger of harm or death. To be able to prove that, that's what puts the death penalty on the table. And in Utah, they can either kill him by lethal injection or a firing squad. So certainly the prosecution is going to be looking to make sure that those facts are sufficient for the jury to find him guilty.
Yeah, and reportedly, Utah's attorney general at the same time has said that state and federal authorities are coordinating right now, and that the possibility of a dual prosecution, both state and federal, has not been ruled out. What are you anticipating on that front?
Yeah, I think Marcus was right in his original story, is that probably the feds are not going to pick this up, at least right now. I think they want to see Utah prosecute this case. They want to see Utah get the conviction in the state. They certainly may have the option. They have to just dig a little bit deeper into the federal law violated one.
Yeah, and also looking into the FBI, we know anyone else who may be implicated here. I wish we had more time. Randolph Rice, great to have you this evening. Thank you.
Thank you.